This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
Hello and welcome to Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a peppermint hot chocolate. It is a really easy recipe, but I have a couple little chef tricks to make this drink next level and perfectly balanced. I don't know about you, but once it starts into the cold weather, I love to keep a nice sweet hot drink in my hands. So let's head to the kitchen and get to this easy peasy recipe. So I'm making this drink for 2 people. I'm going to start with 2 cups of my favorite plant milk, which I would usually use coconut milk, but I'm doing actually 1 cup of soy milk and 1 cup of water because I'm cheap. And then I'm going to do half a cup of semi-sweet vegan chocolate chips. And then here's one of my chef secrets. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and this is going to help thicken the drink enough just so it's got like a nice body, because I don't want it to be too watery. And then the second chef secret, I'm sure this has happened to you, that when you're making a peppermint flavored anything, if you don't have a dropper attached to your bottle, it's real easy to go overboard with this stuff. So I found an easy way to control the portion, and that's that I'm going to stick a chopstick in there, and with just that amount, look, 1, 2 drops, boom, perfect. And then I'm just going to get a little whisk, and I'm going to whisk it cold first, and then I'm just going to go ahead and turn the stovetop on and let it come to a boil or a little simmer before I start to whisk it again. That's good. It is a nice cold day. Perfect for this hot chocolate.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video and give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you're notified every time I put up a new video, which is every Monday. And also turn on your notifications, because that's actually how you'll get notified. Okay, thank you. Have a healthy, happy life. Yeah.